Hey guys, today we'd like to introduce how to prevent the engine overspeed. In addition to careful driving, the wheel loader driver also need carefully observe any abnormal situation of the loader and follow the tips. Do not disassemble and adjust the fuel injection pump and governor at will. The quality of lubricating oil should be guaranteed, and the oil level should not exceed the limit. Third, fuel must be kept clean. Fourth, clean air filters in time according to maintenance regulations. Clean or replace filters on time. Fifth, check and maintain the loader in time. Clean or replace the seriously worn parts in time. In short, the loader driver should do a good job of timely maintenance of his loader. Observe it carefully. Remove any faults in time. That is to avoid the overspeed failure of the loader engine.